can't skip this. You can't skip this. Kcpe 2020, question number 24. The length of a rectangular garden is 32 meters. Each of the diagonals of the garden is 40 meters. What is the width of the garden? So you start by drawing the sketch. Start by drawing the sketch. Sketch of a rectangular garden. So you draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. You are told that the length was 32 meters. And you know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So this the 2 here is the same as this side. So the 2 meters. You are not given the width, but you are told that each of the diagonals of the garden was 40. And you know that diagonals in a rectangle are equal. So that is why you are told each of the diagonals was 40. So this is 40. And this other one is 40. It's also for 40. Okay. So you are not given the width. You are told to find it. You are told to find it. So when you draw the diagonals like that, when you draw the two diagonals, you understand that they are going to bisect at the center. They are going to bisect at the center to form 4 triangles. To form 4 triangles. 4 isosceles triangles, which are this one. We have this triangle with the base that 2. We have this other one with the base which is the width, that is the width of that rectangle, and you have this other one. Okay, so we are going to use one triangle to find the width of that rectangle. We are going to use this one. Let us use one of the triangles to find width. Let us look. So let us use this triangle like that. We shade it. So when we shaded it like that, we make one isosceles triangle of base that 2. Okay? And you understand that when the two diagonals bisect each other, one of the one half will be 20, the other one will be 20. This one will be 20, this one will be 20. Okay? So our isosceles triangle will be having the sides that 2, 20, and 20. So ours is just to find the height of that one triangle that we have formed. So when we divide that isosceles triangle into 2, let me use a different color for you to differentiate. So when we divide this triangle like that, you understand that this small side will be 16, and this one is 20. So it will be having a base of 16 and an hypotenuse of 20. So here we are going to use Pythagoras theory, which says the square of the base plus the square of the height should give you the hypotenuse squared, like that. Letter A denotes the base, letter B denotes the height, and the C is the hypotenuse. So which is our A? Our A is 16. So 16 squared plus B, which is the height that we are looking, B squared should be equal to C. C is 20. So 20 squared. Okay? Let us move on. So we say 16 squared is 256 plus B squared is equals to 400. Okay? So we take 256 on this side, and once it crosses the equal sign, because it is a plus on this side, it becomes a minus. So we remain with B squared on this side. We say is equals to 400 minus 256. This one gives us 144. Okay, and now we get our B by finding the square root of both sides. We get our B is equals to 12. So our B, which is the height of this small isosceles triangle, is 12. So that is 12. And you understand this one, this small height is also the same as this one. So this is also 12. So now we have gotten our width of the rectangle, which is 12 plus 12. It becomes 24. And we have answered our question. Our answer is choice boy. That is how we find. So you just need to understand the properties of a rectangle. The properties of a rectangle, that diagonals are equal and that all the angles are equal to 90. Angles in a rectangle are equal to 90. This is 90. This is 90. This is 90. This is 90. Okay? And you understand that when you draw the two diagonals, they are going to form isosceles triangles. And therefore, in that case, you are going to use the Pythagoras theory to find the height. Okay? So let us meet in our next lesson, as we shall be discussing more and more about the properties of quadrilaterals. Have a good day.